Hi guys, welcome to Chickadee. The next one in the summer series is this cute watermelon popsicle. What is a summer without a nice cold slice of watermelon, right? Here the drawing is really simple, but we need to focus more on the coloring part. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Firstly, draw a slightly curved line like this. Then let's make a triangle shape from it with a rounded tip at the top. Now extend a soft line from here and draw it parallel to this edge till the base and join it. This is the side part of the slice. I'm drawing the popsicle stick underneath, just a long U shape. And a guideline here where the red part of the fruit ends. Now let's draw two eyes in the shape of the watermelon seeds. Then a fun smacking tongue. Yum! Don't forget to add lashes. That was easy, right? Now let's do the outlines. Oops, I forgot to add some dripping. Let me add 2 drops directly with the marker. Notice that I have left 2 lines over here. Colors! Carefully observe the steps. Pause the video if necessary after every step. With a pink color, do the remaining outlines and fill the side part of the slice with bright red. Now take a lighter pink and fill this triangular part. Now take the regular pink again and draw thick margins all along the edges. The edges of the triangle. All around and around the eyes, the tongue as well, and some portion at the top. Done. Now take a light pink again and smudge everything up for a nice smooth appearance. Nice and smooth, graded appearance. With the same light pink, draw a thick line bleeding outside the red part. Use a darker shade and draw some seeds randomly. For the green part, draw a thick light green line along the edge. Now use a darker green to draw a thinner line. Color the stick brown and add a shadow with gray underneath. Finish it off by some nice texture with white paint marker. Yum! That cold, sweet, juicy bite on a hot summer afternoon is everything. Hope you enjoyed this, and please do like, share and subscribe for more fun ideas.